Hey everyone, it's Ventigo here. Just wanted to say hello to all these entrepreneurs, business owners, and self-employed people. I know things have been kind of hard right now, so I just wanted to show some encouragement and say that no matter what you're going through, you got this. I know I may not understand your niche or your industry, but I just want to say my little input that don't give up. Sometimes it just takes that one stranger out of nowhere to tell you, hey, you still got this. So if I'm that person who just gave you that little oomph to keep on going, I'm happy for that. So keep on hustling, guys. Also, don't forget that Russell will be doing a 100-day step-by-step training for you online business owners out there who kind of want to get more success, or you're maybe there, but you want to kind of grow. So I just wanted to give you that message that it is still open. If there is a link, you can click that, get straight there. It's a drop dead price that you can finally have success to your business. And besides, who wouldn't want that, right? Also, just wanted to make sure that get rid of some distractions. I know right now you're on social media, so a little bit of a distraction. But if you know you need to be doing something, then get off of social media, stop listening to me, and go do it. Yep, I've had the same thing in a YouTube video before. I think it was Wesley who told me stop watching YouTube, and I finally did what I needed to. So make sure to do that too. If you need something to do it now. Also, Russell Brunson actually hit the Inc. 500. Isn't that awesome? No, not the Fortune 500, but we're getting there. But the Inc. 500. He also has a gross revenue of $5 million. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a lot of money. I think I may have got the figure wrong. It's probably more now, but that's still a big amount of money. How was your company doing? I know mine isn't doing 5 million all the time consistently, but we're still getting there. Early days. Also, I just want you to imagine that you did go through this training. It's only 100 days. I know it sounds like a lot, but I mean, what would you rather? You've got A, you take this 100 days and you had the success you want in your business, or you don't, and you're still running on that little rat wheel trying to find the solution. So, if I were you, I'll just drop everything now, focus for these couple of days, and thank yourself that you finally had the success that you want in your business. Now, this is for online and it can be for offline. I know you brick and mortar guys are getting a little bit upset, like, where's my turn? But don't worry, it's for you too. Also, a false belief is that it costs a lot. It doesn't. Actually, it's not four figures or anything big like that. No huge commitment, no payment plan, any of that stuff. You know, we're not gonna have a consulting fee that's like 100,000 or anything. It's you'd probably spend more on your TV. Yeah, you probably spend more on your coffee machine than you would on this online business here. Think about that for a moment. Which ones gives more of a return investment? TV or successful online business? I'll let you set that one. But yeah, if you click the link below or somewhere around here, you'll see the price drop dead. But don't worry about the price. Remember, things aren't worth what they are, things are worth what they get. So if you were to give a machine and all you needed was $1 and you get $2 out, would you find that $1? Yes, I mean, I would. So think about it like that. Don't think of the price as an obstacle. Think of it as an opportunity so you can earn more. Also, what does this mean for you? Well, it means that you can finally get over the hurdle of hardships into the online business world. I know that we all have that one hurdle that is almost impossible to get over. I'm not sure what it is really, but it's just like once you get over that one milestone, things just get easier. I don't know, maybe it doesn't for you, but I know it is a lot easier than what it is right now. So, for an online business owner or a brick and mortar, I highly recommend you get on this. You'll be given step by step by an Inc. 500 multi-millionaire entrepreneur who still does what he does, so it's not like he's sending you old advice anyway. Then, I want to say right now is that you have to act now. I know everyone says that, quickly, we're running out of seats. But seriously, there's only so many people that Russell Brunson can mentor at once. I mean, let's be honest. So if you really want to secure a seat now, before it does get up to the higher figures, I highly recommend you do that now. So, let's recap. Step-by-step advice to have success in your online or offline business, guidance that will last a lifetime, drop dead price, and you can finally live the life you want, with the income you want, with the business you want, and finally get over that annoying hurdle that's just seeming to always be in your way. So, I hope that given you a little bit of encouragement. This is Aventigo signing out. See you later, guys. Peace.